I need to be fast. Oh, never mind. Guess we're not filming the tornado watch.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Lee County in north-central Illinois until 6:15 p.m.
Poetic justice.
5:23 p.m.
Nothing for Whiteside. Some special statement, but Lee and Ogle gets a severe warning.
Hazard 60 miles per hour.
Let me see if this tornado watch is going over the air. Never mind, that's relaying the severe warning. Well, that was a waste. Oh, jeez. Is it relaying the watch? No, it's a double SVR.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities.
Maybe this is a Whiteside one, who knows?
Storm warning for northeastern Whiteside.
I spoke too soon. Hi.
Illinois, southeastern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois until 6:15 p.m. At 5:23 p.m. a severe
Saw this watch.
over Penrose or near Sterling, moving at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Hail.
Source radar indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
That's not even for freaking...
Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sterling, Covetta, Emerson, Grimes Station, Douglas Park, and Penrose. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Uh-oh. And of course, this failed to activate as always.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm
It's an SVA as always.
effective until midnight Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Carroll, DuChow, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lee, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Winnebago,
How am I not in the watch? This makes no sense.
and the following counties.
Probably because I already had a warning.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest.
This didn't activate either because it was off for some reason. Who turned this off? Who turned this off?
The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service.
So of course this piece of garbage failed to activate again. And this piece of garbage failed to activate again. Oh. Scrap that.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south-central Ogle County in north-central Illinois, north-central Lee County in north-central Illinois until 6:45 p.m.
So nice, they issued it at the same time again.
PM. A severe thunderstorm was located near the moving at 25 miles per hour.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has
Oh, come on!
Central Ogle County in north-central Illinois, north-central Lee County in north-central Illinois until 6:45 p.m. Hail damage to the PM and a severe thunderstorm was located near Dixon, moving at 25 miles per hour.
Siding and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Lost Nation, Grand Detour, and Methuselah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Doors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Franklin Grove,
So I didn't realize is that said watch and not warning. I always get it mixed up because they look the same. Anyway, it was a watch. I thought MKX was going to relay a warning there, which I'm stupid. They relayed that. What do you want?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm
Lee.
for northeastern Lee County in north central Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:34
Shut the heck
the
up!
storm was located over Ashton, 47 miles southwest of Rochelle, moving at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lee and Stewart. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lee and Stewart. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
WZOK is going to relay a tornado warning for Stevenson County. Aye. To breathe. If this is a Milwaukee tornado warning, I'm running. Yep. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for
Southeastern Green County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 8:15 p.m. At 7:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a
tornado.
was located near Lake Somerset, or 8 miles south of Bronzeville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include North and Avon. Take cover now. Move to the basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,
Ah! What am I trying to do? It's almost as if I knew. Shut up. Okay, so 3 tours now. Winnebago and Lot are in on the party, y'all. Alright, that's enough of that. Anyway, let's film this.
10:50. Interesting.